What drives Michigan? Is it the cars or is it the people? Well, this is a show about interesting people in interesting cars. And today we're driving with Oakland County Sheriff's Deputy Bob Loken. And you're probably wondering how I got here. If you're like me, then you probably haven't met a lot of police officers in your life. And I really hope you've never been sitting in a room like this in a police station.
That's on the wall. This is where they asked me to stay.
I'm actually scared sitting here. That is until I meet Deputy Loken. See, what we all forget, or I think we don't think about, is that police officers are indeed people. And today I'm lucky enough to get to know one. Because this is Suburban Drives Michigan. I couldn't decide which car to pick up Deputy Loken in, but that doesn't really matter because his partner said we should take their car anyway. What are we in now? We're in a
Chevrolet Tahoe.
Tahoe?
2017, yep.
That doesn't always come stock with
with canine kennels,
with a canines, and an
AR-15, and cameras and computers and everything else. Yeah.
I gotta tell you though, this is the most awesome ride I've ever been in. The amount of gear in here is astonishing.
Yes.
There's stuff everywhere.
Yes. And
just the idea of a full laptop here.
Yes. Well, what's nice about this is, in years past, we were so tied to our stations, our substations that we use, or regular, police officers, their police stations, because you always had to go back there to write the reports.
Gotcha.
I can actually go to a report, let's say a home invasion, somebody broke somebody's home. I can get all the information I need. I can type up the report, send it in for approval from our sergeant, and never step foot in the substation. So it keeps us out in the communities more.
Yep.
So just having your presence alone is a huge factor in communities. You have to have police officers out in the community. It deters more than you ever know.
Just seeing you guys driving through.
So this just enables us to be a lot more effective in getting our jobs and our duties done. In our job, it's protect and serve. You hear all the time, and we do a lot of things in our job. And we do everything from you lock your keys out of your car, we'll come and help you get in your car. You don't have to call AAA. You can call Oakland County Sheriff's. We'll help you out. We go on medicals. We have AEDs. So if someone has a heart attack, we get sent there. So we do everything. Helping people also means we got to help find out who just broke in your house. So the one thing I like about the job I do is I never know what the day is going to hold for me. You never know. It's always something new. You just never know what your next call is going to be.
Bob told me about all of the amazing things the Oakland County canines do in the community, especially with the kids. But I asked him if we could see his partner Eiko do something a little more...
I am about to be tracked by a canine whose job is to track. As you can hear back there, he seems kind of excited about this, which makes me scared and excited. So imagine I'm running away and I'm hiding like this. I'm kind of back here. Canine's gonna pick up my scent. I guess, look, I can use like a little peek around cam. I don't know if I'm more scared or cold. I hear something coming. So imagine I were right here. What is it? I gotta say, that's scary.
Then Bob told me that tracking is only a part of what Eiko is trained to do. And if I really want to understand, then I'll put this on.
Imagine being a suspect and seeing that excitement, intensity coming at you.
Oh God. I know. Okay, so go up here, you're saying?
Yeah, go up there and And if you kind of kneel down like there and just kind of be like that.
Through this side?
Yeah, kind of get your camera. Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's not funny, but I think I'm so scared. Like, he's so loving. He's loving it, you know?
Good. Eiko. Good.
That was amazing. Conceptually, if that's your arm,
Oh, yeah.
that is a really, really tough day. All right, so tell me car-wise, what was your first car?
Two-door Buick Skyhawk. Probably like a 83, 84, 85. It's a used Buick Skyhawk. Oh, four-door. No, four-door, because my brother had a two-door.
Color, any idea?
Blue. It was a blue, but that car was nice. You know, I mean, it was in great shape. It looked good, you know.
And it had a bitchin' name.
Yeah, Buick Skyhawk. Yeah, so it was a good first car for being 16. You know?
Yeah. All right, so what's your dream car?
Well, you know,
you could have
surprisingly, all the dream cars out there, you know, the Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and stuff like. You know what? I want a Corvette.
New or old Corvette?
Yeah, no, new. You know, I'm not a big fan of the older cars. I like them, I appreciate them, but you know, a brand new Corvette. I don't care what it is, Maserati. I don't care. You know, a Corvette is all I need.
And what do you drive now? What's your?
We have a Yukon.
Yeah.
You know, for obviously the kids, stuff like that.
Yep.
So
That's what I drive.
yeah, yeah, I love those cars like this.
You can just beat the hell out of them.
Yeah,
They're
they're trucks.
What do you think drives Michigan? If you had to answer it.
I think the main thing that drives Michigan is the diversity. You know, I think Michigan, the diversity just in itself of what people have brought to Michigan because of the automotive companies.
Like it actually just naturally happened by people being brought here.
Brought here from all over the world, you know, for work. There's companies from Japan here, you name it. So anywhere you go, a good example, if you walk through Great Lakes Mall right now, you're gonna see every nationality there is, you know, and that's kind of the diversity that the one industry, automotive, has brought to this area. Is really just brought the world to Michigan. And also with that, Michigan is you have the diversity of the weather, the seasons that we talked about.
Yep.
So if you're from Michigan, you're diverse in many ways. You know how to adapt to many things. You know,
You're diverse not only ethnically but seasonally as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Suburban Drives Michigan is brought to you by the Suburban Collection, representing 37 different automotive brands in over 50 locations throughout Michigan. From your first car to your dream car and everything in between. The Suburban Collection.
Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe. But even more than that, I need to know in the comments section down below who you think drives Michigan. It could be your mom, your dad, your high school coach, the fireman who saved a kitten, or even somebody famous like, I don't know, what, are you from Michigan?